logarithm. Definition of logarithm. If m is equal to a raised to x, where a greater than 0, a is not equal to 1, m greater than 0, then x is called the logarithm of m to the base a, to the base a, and it is written as x is equal to log m to the base a, where x, m and a belongs to real number. The equation m is equal to a raised to x is called indicial equation or the exponential form or index form, and x is equal to log m to the base a is the logarithmic form. It means x is equal to log m to the base a. This is the logarithmic form, and in this logarithmic form we convert it in exponential form as m is equal to a raised to x. Some examples. 5 square is equal to 25. This is the exponential form. So the logarithmic form of this is log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2. It means ये जो पावर है, ये पावर आपके राइट हैंड साइड में होगी. दिस वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट योर x एंड log 25 और जिसकी पावर है वो बेस हो जाएगा. See another example. 9 raised to half is equal to 3. It means log 3 to the base 9 is equal to half. Okay. Next, properties. First property, m is equal to a raised to x if and only if x is equal to log m to the base a. Second property, logarithms of negative numbers and 0 are not defined. Third, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, 0 is equal to log 1 to the base a. That is, logarithm of 1 to any base is always 0. Fourth, a raised to 1 is equal to a. Therefore, log a to the base a is equal to 1. That is, logarithm of any number to the same base is 1. Fifth, x is equal to log a raised to x to the base a. Here we have m is equal to a raised to x and x is equal to log m to the base a. It means x is equal to log a raised to x to the base a. Sixth property, if log m to the base a is equal to log n to the base a, then m is equal to n. And last property, if a greater than 1 and m greater than n, then log m to the base a is greater than log n to the base a and conversely. Now, laws of logarithm. First, law of product. Statement, if a, m, n are positive real numbers with a is not equal to 1, then log mn to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Next, laws of logarithm. First law, law of product. Statement, if a, m, n are positive real numbers with a is not equal to 1, then log mn to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. अभी हम ये प्रूफ करेंगे. So proof, let log m to the base a is equal to x and log n to the base a is equal to y. So therefore, by definition of logarithm, we have m is equal to a raised to x and n is equal to a raised to y. m is equal to a raised to x and n is equal to a raised to y, ये इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म है लॉगरिथमिक का. मीन्स log m to the base a is equal to x. ये अगर लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म है तो इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म इज m is equal to a raised to x. And the same way log n to the base a is equal to y. This is the logarithmic form और उसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म इज n is equal to a raised to y. हमें प्रूफ करना है log mn to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. So we consider here mn. So consider mn. Substitute the values. M is a raised to x into n is a raised to y. Now base is same, तो पावर का एडिशन हो जाएगा, that is a raised to x plus y. It means we get mn is equal to a raised to x plus y. Now this is in exponential form, so convert it in logarithmic form. So this logarithmic form is nothing but log mn to the base a is equal to x plus y. And what is our x and y? X is log m to the base a and y is log n to the base a. Substitute their values. So log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Hence proved. Second, law of quotient. Statement: if A, M, N are positive real numbers with A is not equal to 1, then log m upon n to the base A is equal to log m to the base A minus log n to the base A. Proof. Again, let log m to the base A is equal to x and log n to the base A is equal to y, जैसे हमने लॉ ऑफ प्रोडक्ट में कंसिडर किया था. So exponential form of this is nothing but m is equal to a raised to x and n is equal to a raised to y. यहाँ पे हमें प्रूफ करना है लॉ ऑफ कोशेंट. इट मीन्स लॉग m upon n. So we consider m upon n. So consider m upon n. M is a raised to x upon a raised to y is nothing but a raised to x into a raised to minus y. Now base is same. So again we write this as x plus minus y. It means a raised to x minus y. So we get m upon n is equal to a raised to x minus y. This is the exponential form. So logarithmic form of this is nothing but log m upon n to the base a is equal to x minus y. Now substitute the values of x and y. So x is log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Third, law of exponent. Or law of power. Statement: if A, M, N are positive numbers with A is not equal to 1, then log m raised to n to the base A is equal to n log m to the base A. Proof. Let log m to the base A is x. So exponential form of this is nothing but m is equal to a raised to x. यहाँ पे हमें प्रूफ करना है log m raised to n. So we consider m raised to n. So m raised to n is nothing but a raised to x raised to n. It means a raised to xn. It means we get m raised to n is equal to a raised to xn. So convert it in logarithmic form, that is log m raised to n to the base a is equal to x into n. This we can write as n into x. Now substitute the values of x. So n into log m to the base a. So we get log m raised to n to the base a is equal to n log m to the base a. Hence proved. Now change of base law. Change of base law. This law we can use for solving the examples. The statement: if m, n and a is not equal to 1, b is not equal to 1 are positive real numbers, then log m to the base a is equal to log m to the base b upon log a to the base b. One corollary of that, corollary 1 is putting m is equal to b in above equation, then we get log b to the base a is equal to 1 upon log a to the base b, or log b to the base a into log a to the base b is equal to 1. And corollary 2 is log x raised to n to the base a raised to n is equal to log x to the base a. Example of that, log 8 to the base 27 is nothing but log 8 means 2 cube and 27 means 3 cube. So the value of this is log 2 to the base 3. Now some facts. First, log a raised to x to the base a is equal to x. Second, log 10 raised to x to the base 10 is equal to x. Third, log e raised to x to the base e is equal to x. Fourth, a raised to log x to the base a is equal to x. Fifth, 10 raised to log x to the base 10 is equal to x. 6. E raised to log x to the base e is equal to x. 7. Log a is equal to log b if and only if a is equal to b. Now some remarks. First remark, log x plus minus y to the base a is not equal to log x to the base a plus minus log y to the base a. It means log x plus y is not equal to log x plus log y, or log x minus y is not equal to log x minus log y. Second, log x to the base a raised to n is not equal to n log x to the base a. And third, log x upon y to the base a is not equal to log x to the base a upon log y to the base a. Now we start for solving examples. First example, equivalent logarithmic form. First, 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 100. तो इसका logarithmic form क्या होगा? Log 1 upon 100 to the base 10 is equal to minus 2. Second, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. So, log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. Second, exponential form. First, log 343 to the base 7 is equal to 3. तो इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म क्या होगा? 7⁻³ इज इक्वल टू 343. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, log 1/3 to the base 81 इज इक्वल टू -1/4. तो इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म क्या होगा? 81 raised to -1/4 is equal to 1/3. Now, next example, third, evaluate the value of following. Evaluate the value of following. It means here we are going to find the value of x. First example, log 4 to the base 64. So let log 4 to the base 64 is equal to x. इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म क्या होगा? 64 raised to x is equal to 4. Now 64, it means 4 raised to 3. This x as it is equal to 4. So this we write as 4 raised to 3x is equal to 4. 4, it means 4 raised to 1. Now base is same. So 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1/3. It means log 4 to the base 64 is equal to 1/3. ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में 2 और 3 मार्क्स के लिए आता है. नेक्स्ट, log 1/256 to the base 2. So again we consider this logarithmic value as x. It means log 1/256 to the base 2 is equal to x. It means 2 raised to x is equal to 1/256. It means 2 raised to x is equal to 1/2 raised to 1/256. It means 2 raised to 8. So 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to -8. Now base is same. So x is equal to -8. It means log of 1/256 to the base 2 is equal to -8. Next example, convert into single logarithm. So first, half log 9 plus 1/3 log 27. ये क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क्स के लिए आता है. So half log 9 plus 1/3 log 27 is nothing but log 9 raised to half plus log 27 raised to 1/3. यहाँ पे हमने पावर लॉ यूज किया. So log 9 raised to half means square root of 9, that is 3. So log 3 plus 27 raised to 1/3 means cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. So log 3 plus log 3. अभी यहाँ पे log के एडिशन है. तो लॉग के एडिशन कभी होती है? जब भी लॉ ऑफ प्रोडक्ट रहता है. इट मीन्स वी गेट log 3 into 3 and log 3 into 3 is nothing but log 9. Next example, solve the following equation for x. This question is also for 3 marks. Log x square plus 6x plus 28 to the base 10 is equal to 2. So log x square plus 6x plus 28 to the base 10 is equal to 2. इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म होगा x square plus 6x plus 28 is equal to 10 square. 10 square is 100. It means we get x square plus 6x plus 28 is equal to 100. So x square plus 6x minus 72 is equal to 0. Factorize this polynomial. So we get x plus 12, x minus 6 is equal to 0. It means x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 6. Next question. Prove that 1 upon log ABC to the base A plus 1 upon log ABC to the base B plus 1 upon log ABC to the base C is equal to 1. This question is 2 or 3 marks. So consider LHS, that is 1 upon log ABC to the base A plus 1 upon log ABC to the base B plus 1 upon log ABC to the base C, which is equal to log A to the base ABC plus log B to the base ABC plus log C to the base ABC. Now यहाँ पे logs तीनों का बेस सेम है, log ABC and log ABC, और बीच में एडिशन साइन है. So here we use law of product, that is log A into B into C to the base ABC. अभी log A to the base A is 1. So here we get log ABC to the base ABC. So this value is 1 and which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next example. To prove that log x raised to 4 minus log x raised to 6 is equal to log 2 upon 3. So consider LHS, that is log x raised to 4 minus log x raised to 6. It means अभी यहाँ पे subtraction है log का, so we are using here law of quotient. It means we get log x raised to 4 upon log x raised to 6. So here power law apply करो. So we get 4 log x upon 6 log x. Log x will get cancelled. So we get log 4 upon 6. It means log 2 upon 3, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next example. If log A plus B upon 3 is equal to half log A plus log B, to show that A square plus B square is equal to 7AB. Hence, to show that A upon B plus B upon A is equal to 7. This question is of 4 marks. So since log A plus B upon 3 is equal to half log A plus log B. So therefore 2 log A plus B upon 3 is equal to log A plus log B. अभी यहाँ पे log का addition है, it means law of product. So here we get log AB. It means we get, here we can use power law. So this value becomes log A plus B upon 3 square is equal to log AB. दोनों साइड पे log कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we get A plus B upon 3 square is equal to AB. It means A plus B the whole square upon 9 is equal to AB. Take 9 on RHS. So here A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to 9AB. 2AB को RHS में लेके जाओ. So A square plus B square is equal to 7AB. तो ये हमने first part proof किया. Now we want to show that A upon B plus B upon A is equal to 7. Now to show that A upon B plus B upon A is equal to 7. So from this equation, we consider that equation as 1. So equation 1 implies we write A square plus B square whole upon AB is equal to 7. It means A square upon AB plus B square upon AB is equal to 7. तो फर्स्ट में A कट हो जाएगा और सेकेंड में B कट होगा. So we get here A upon B plus B upon A is equal to 7. Hence proved. Next problem. To show that log A square upon BC plus log B square upon CA plus log C square upon AB is equal to 0. So consider LHS, that is log A square upon BC plus log B square upon CA plus log C square upon AB, which is equal to, apply here law of quotient. So we get log of A square minus log BC plus log B square minus log CA plus log C square minus log AB is nothing but A square. It means with the power law, we write this 2 log A minus here log BC means law of product we can use. So here we get log B plus log C. Similarly in this term, so 2 log B minus log C plus log A plus 2 log C minus log A plus log B. Now open the bracket. So we get 2 log A minus log B minus log C plus 2 log B minus log C minus log A plus 2 log C minus log A minus log B. So log A minus log A means 2 log A. This will cancel with this. Now minus log B means minus 2 log B. तो ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Similarly minus log C cancel with 2 log C and we get 0, that is RHS.